These are the power adapter, mounting screws, and the host of GSM Smoke detector. At first, open the upper cover. Insert the SIM card and install the battery. Then plug in the power adapter and turn on the power switch. Waiting for the smoke detector to access to the GSM network. When the blue LED flashes every 3 seconds, the smoke detector successfully connects to the GSM network. Now, put the lid on it. Next, use the app to set the phone number. Open the app, select GSM 908C and set a username, entering the phone number of the SIM card, which is installed inside the smoke detector. Enter the default password for the smoke detector. Set the first group of phone number and set the first group of SMS receiving number. Added the SMS 12341, sending it to SFL 908 smoke detector for setting the phone number. Copy the received information. Paste it in the text box. Add the phone number and enter multiple sets of numbers at one time. Added SMS 12342. Sending it to SFL 908 smoke detector for setting SMS number. Copy the received information, paste it in the text box, add the SMS number, and enter multiple sets of SMS numbers at one time. Smoke is used to simulate the alarming situation. When the smoke concentration reaches the alarming concentration value of it, the SFL908 smoke detector will alarm. When the smoke detector alarms, it will send text messages to the phone and make a call. Press test button of the smoke detector SFL908 to enter the mute state. Enter the SMS command 9517-5308-246 and the system will be reverted to the factory settings.